Hi, I'm Lavina Israni, and we are here at Celebrity Today by Bestman Media and Bioscope.
Hi, Lavina.
Hi.
Lavina, I think you have recently come on Instagram and.
No,
No.
I have been on Instagram since 2013,
Oh, okay.
but
Sorry,
I
then-
kept it private for a very long time. And well, now I'm pretty active.
So, how has been your Instagram or social media journey so far?
Social media journey did not really start with Instagram for me. For me, it was mostly through Orkut when I was in the 8th grade, if
Okay.
anyone remembers.
Yes.
So all the popular kids in school used to socialize and connect with each other, and it became a good tool, because I could connect with my seniors as well as juniors, and so I was more into elocutions and debates. So my senior, who was like the best elocutor in the school, best speaker in the school, he used to be online, and then I would chat with him, and he gave me some tips. So by the time he passed out, I think the legacy got passed on. So social media worked as a boon back then, and then even I later on passed on the tips and everything to my juniors, and so yeah, like social media was pretty cool.
Okay.
But now I think it's more about your engagement. It's more about how you use it, how you promote it, and I think it's a little too technical.
And अभी ऐसा हो गया that there are categories, कि you are a fashion blogger or you are some
Yeah.
fitness blogger or you're doing something,
Yeah.
something different from what others are doing, something like
Right.
that. Have you ever have you ever spoken to somebody on Yahoo chat that used to come?
Oh
Because
yes,
it is,
before Orkut, that
Yes.
was the best one with those emojis and the
Yes.
themes we used to have, and the kind of IDs we used to make, like
Yes.
funny names. Like
Huh.
my one ID was something about damsel and duchess and
Huh.
everything. So no one really knows your identity, and it
Yes.
cannot easily be hacked.
Correct.
When you don't keep your own name. But I think the generation's gone. It's
Yes.
just gone by. But yeah, like why not? Yahoo
So it was more like a dating app, you can say.
No, not for me. Not I was too young that time, so no dating app for me. Not Yahoo, at least.
Okay. How it feels to be a celebrity?
Am I a celebrity?
Yes. You are on Celebrity Today. You are definitely a celebrity.
Okay, thank you. How do you define celebrity? Then I'll tell you how it feels to be.
See, so from a normal life where where people don't know you, they don't chase you, so you go out somewhere. आप mall में जा रहे हो तो लोग आ रहे अरे मैम are you Lavina? I've seen your profile, I follow you, I see your content, I've seen you on this pageant or something like that. So that is kind of a celebrity kind of a feeling.
So for me, celebrity is more about being celebrated. So I use it in a good way. Like I learned classical dance, and there was once when I was just practicing without makeup, proper Indian attire, just as a normal student. And a very young girl comes to me and is like, "You were on Miss Diva." I'm like, yes. And I used it, to encourage her. Like, when she's dancing, like, hey, how are you? You dance really well. So I prefer to use it to encourage people to bring on a motto rather than just making it self-centered and just about my success. Whenever I get time, I use the tagline, like, celebrate your image in a way that benefits all.
Correct.
So, वैसे it's very nice.
There are a lot of people, they follow you. Actually, वो आपकी प्रोफाइल देखते हैं. They see in a very young age कि आपने ये चीज़ें की है. So they actually follow you. So even if you're not sending out that message on purpose, people are actually following your journey.
In fact, ऐसा हुआ है. I used to work as a social ambassador एक NGO के लिए by the name IDF, Indian
Okay.
Development Foundation. And 2017 December में एक campaign था where people could go through the link मेरे प्रोफाइल में Instagram में लिंक कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ रहती है, तो लिंक से जाके you could donate blankets for people sleeping on the street because वो सबसे coldest December था. So a lot of people did that. A lot of people actually sent me videos. I see my DMs, I see requests that they went on the bike और उन्होंने खुद जाके रात को लोगों को ब्लैंकेट खरीद के दिया. Whichever way, जब तक आप consciousness spread करो लोगों में, awareness लाओ, I think I am pretty content with all of that. Then it's up to the other person कि इसको करना है नहीं करना है. all that.
अच्छा, you tell me what is the good thing and a bad thing according to you about social media?
good thing according to me is that you can connect. कभी families, I think कोई ऐसा नहीं है जिसकी सारी family एक ही शहर में बसी हुई है. सबके लोग कहाँ, all over India, all over the Asia, all over the whole continent or the country or the world. So that way it helps you to connect. Like कोई बचपन का पुराना दोस्त होगा. My dad just finds, you know, he's like, I met this friend of mine. He, you know, you see the smile and it really works like a boon. But there are times ki, you know, when suppose if I am going out and I am born and brought up in Mumbai, but if I go out at 11 o'clock and एक ज़माना था जब फेसबुक में चेक इन डालते थे, तो मैंने अगर चेक इन डाल दिया, कोई तो किसी रिलेटिव ने देखा जिन्होंने बोला कि why you going out so late, so that you know that time you feel like थोड़ा privacy up and down होती है. So just for privacy concerns, otherwise it's a good thing, it's a blessing.
Do you get negative comments or, you know, hated comments on Instagram?
Hated comments, limited, but yes. Negative comments, yes. But I am more of a person जिसको constructive criticism लेना आता है. And negative comments है तो ठीक है, ignorance is bliss. And if it really becomes like, you know, very abusive or exploitation of certain human rights, if people are there who comment really horrible stuff, so tabhi if I get time I delete. Because it's not good for me. There are children who follow me and I don't want them to read certain things that's written on them.
What is the funniest comment that you've read on your post?
Funniest comment that I've read on my post was recently that my last night's post, someone said, I am launching an FIR against you because I just lost my heart. And I was like, you know, it took me 2 seconds to actually understand. FIR, lost my heart? Okay, so his heart is missing, that's why he's doing a FIR
people do pick up these lines and they actually, you know, they just... So have you ever come across a person who's saying this to you in person?
A lot of them. It just, I think it comes to people naturally. And at times I'm like, you know, I go through the newspaper or the books where they, you know, have these cheesy comments so that pata chale ki ye comment hai, ye dil se nahi aaya hua hai. But there are people who come up with original lines.
Yes.
Like there was this one wedding where I wore a very lovely turquoise lehenga, choli. And the guy, young guy, like he must be like 7-8 years younger to me, school mein. And he's coming to me, he's like, I think you define the color turquoise very well. And I'm like, how old are you? Like, really? And I said, thank you. So, yeah.
Some people have a, you know, very good presence of mind and they can just come up with something very quickly. Mm-hmm. Okay. Who did you follow on Instagram?
The last, as in the person or pages? Pages I keep. There's this blogger, very famous fashion blogger, Masoom Meenawala. I love her content, so I followed her because her content's really nice.
What kind of contents do you like?
I like fashion-based contents, travel-based contents, and original. Like, I would not like a plastic profile. I'd like to know a person a little more. There are people who just keep posting the same. Like, if it's a model will only post shoots. No, but you know, there is an audience who wants to know beyond the curtains, beyond the stage, beyond the set, that who you are. So I try to follow people who are very inspiring or who have made social media a friend rather than just a tool for promoting themselves. So that's...
Do you abuse? No, not at all.
There's a story behind this. If we have time, I can...
Yes,
small,
please.
Tiny story. So, मुझे braces लगे थे काफ़ी late, almost when I was graduating. And आपको पता ही होगा कि braces लगते हैं तो extraction तो करना पड़ता है. तो I think I had my second extraction. And it was so painful. So I think I am a person ना जो बहुत deep सोचती है, like psychologically, and I thought this is karma. Like you should use your mouth to, you know, bring out good stuff into the universe, like say nice things and beautiful things, and not swear or anything. So that is the time I swore ki nothing. No
funnier way, in lighter way.
If
friends
a script,
के साथ में, and then you have to, you know.
If a script demands it, okay. Otherwise, I use alternative words. Like instead of the F word, you can always say fudge. Fudge is just a cake or a chocolate. You can just eat it. So, yeah.
You think English, you know, makes it a little normal, then you say something in Hindi?
When it comes to abuses?
Yes.
हाँ, of course. It makes it a little
It's more
normal.
comfortable.
It's more comfortable. English of course. लेकिन हिंदी में क्या होता है ना, कुछ भी एक नॉर्मल स्वेयर कर लो, वो सामने वाला डर जाता है या तो वायलेंट हो जाता है, क्या बोला आपने? So not like that.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor or actresses?
So growing up, I was a very, very big fan of Katrina Kaif.
Okay.
I used to follow her. I have been following her since her modeling days. Like before Boom, she was in Miss India and doing shows, not shows, shoots for Lakme and also.
Can you name 5 movies of Katrina Kaif?
I have seen most of them. So I could say Yuvraj, मैंने प्यार क्यों किया, नमस्ते लंदन, हमको दीवाना कर गए. I had 1 tickets for that. And Dhoom 3.
Okay. You are definitely, you definitely like her. Okay. आप men की body में any man, which is the most attractive part?
I think सर के बाल.
सर के बाल.
Yeah, that shows how disciplined or how much of maintenance they do for their hair. So.
Which do you think that your body part is very attractive?
सर के बाल.
सर के बाल.
सर के बाल. What about you?
I don't know. I like eyes. I like lips. I sometimes look at the back. So I'm very.
Okay.
It's like going. I mean, it's like forget it. We'll just cut that. I don't want to comment. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you lie? No.
I'm like a typical Sagittarian. We don't like dishonesty. झूठे लोग और झूठ पसंद नहीं है. आपको पसंद है झूठे लोग?
नहीं, but sometimes when see, on a lighter conversation it happens, you manipulate generally, you don't lie, but you don't want to be very straightforward, you just want to
see half truth and lie. You're talking about half truth. Half truth, if it's a healthy half truth, okay, but if it's deceiving, like deceptive, किसी को बुरा पहुंचाने वाला, किसी से कोई important बात छुपाने वाला झूठ हो, मतलब half truth हो, तो then
नहीं, वैसे झूठ नहीं, it's like
if you're sneaking out of the house and you're telling your mom whom you're going with.
Yes.
But so if I were in your place, if I would sneak out of the house, कभी किया नहीं है, but okay. I would tell my mom that I'm going to so and so place. Won't mention who, just say a friend, and I'm going to so and so place. But I won't lie about the place or whatever. One person, guy then guy, girl then girl. Utna I will be that way. So
you were a naughtier kid, or you were a very decent?
So talkative, always running around. You won't believe, I started running at the age of 1. Okay. My colleagues were just learning how to walk, and when I was 2 years old, I even fell from the slide. I climbed up and I just fell down. So I would never sit in one place, and I still can't sit in one place. So I think before the interview, you saw me just walking around the studio because I need to keep moving and not be settled in one place.
Okay.